Yes, we are going to discuss the asexual reproduction in bacteria, and we will not rule out diversity in the reproduction also. Binary fission is the most common type of asexual reproduction we know in unicellular prokaryotes and unicellular eukaryotes, because we also see binary fission in organisms like amoeba, euglena, paramecium. Okay, we see it in case of coelenterata in alteration of generation. So we see binary fission as a basic type of asexual reproduction. But the bacterial binary fission is also called as cairn, CAIRN, cairn theta modal binary fission. I am writing the short form. So before me saying why it is called as cairn, because this is first described by John Cairn after the name of the person. So in my one video we shall see how the binary fission occurs, and in another video I shall say you why it is called as theta model. So if you see in binary fission, as the name suggests, binary is 2, fission is split. Fission is split. So one organism will split into two daughter cells. All of us know this. Now, for instance, I have a bacteria which is the parent, will divide into two daughter bacteria 1, daughter bacteria 2, is binary fission. But when will I say that D1 and D2 are daughter cells of parent bacteria? When they are exactly like parent, they should perform the metabolism like that of the parent bacteria. That's why we call them as daughter cells. It should be same type of cell, isn't it? Then how will my daughter look like me or my son look like me? When he gets the genes what I have, in the same way in him. So there should be a inheritance of character, isn't it? Then only the two daughter cells will behave and perform metabolism like parent. So who is responsible for the characters of the parent? DNA. DNA is the genetic material. Then whatever DNA parent has, the same DNA copy will come to two daughter cells. Then only I can call as the daughter cells. For me, parent bacteria DNA is equal to the first daughter cells DNA is equal to the second daughter cell DNA. That means it is the same DNA. So what happens? The DNA of the parent will first make a copy of the same. Like I have the original, I'll take the Xerox. it has DNA, it will produce the same DNA. DNA giving rise to DNA is called as replication. Replication is a process in which one copy of DNA in the parent will become two copies of same DNA in the daughter cells. Then only I can say them as bacterial daughter cells. So we are going to see that in binary fission, the DNA replicates, becomes two copies, and each copy will go to the daughter cell, making it the same like parent. So for me in binary fission, however cytoplasm divides is of no issue. The DNA should be made exact copy. That's why we are not saying copy, we are not saying regeneration, we are not saying reproduction. We are using the word replication. How good is the replication of DNA in parent cell undergoing binary fission? So great and same are the copies of the daughter cells produced during binary fission. Directly proportional. The quality of the daughter bacteria cell survival is totally dependent on how efficiently the mother bacterial cell or the parental bacterial cell will replicate a copy of its DNA. You remember this? There is one DNA which will become two DNAs. That is called as replication. In my next video, I am going to say why it is called as Karen theta binary fission.